rain, go away. Come again another day. Bluey and Bingo want to play. Rain, rain, go away. It's raining, Bluey.
Yay! I'm just going to muddy puddles.
Well, we need to get our muddy puddle boots.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Why can't we just jump in them?
Well, we don't want to get all wet. Look at all the rain. It's good for the plants.
And it's raining really hard.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go get ready and jump in some muddy puddles. Yay! Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, slish, splash, splunk. Ooh. This is really fun, Bluey. I like playing in puddles.
I'm going to go in a big puddle.
This is a big puddle. What are you doing, Bluey? You gonna get all wet? Ah, let's help you. I'll help you up. There.
Thank you. I like water so much.
I know, me too. This is fun.
I wish we could go in a pool.
Well, maybe we can soon. Right now we're just gonna splash in puddles.
It's raining.
Yeah, so we won't go in the pool today. Yeah, just a little sprinkle. And it's still warm today, so we can jump in some puddles. But make sure at home you don't jump in puddles unless you have permission from your parents.
But we don't have parents here.
We got permission from Mom and Dad. They said we could. They're on the porch watching us while we jump in our puddles.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Woo! Who's that?
That's Luna.
Hello. She's jumping in puddles too.
That's our dog.
Yeah. Wait, we are dogs. That's silly, Bluey. Oh yeah, that's fun too. Makes little waves in the water. It's cool. Okay, well we will see you next time on Rainbow Playtime. I hope you have a good day. Even if it's raining where you are, we're making the best of it. Woohoo! We'll see you later. Ruff, 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 ruff.
I want to swim in this.
Well, we can't swim in it, but we can splash around. See you later.